Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mula Weight Loss. I'm Riley, and today we have an amazing recipe for you that's not only delicious but also great for supporting weight loss. We're making the Green Goddess Detox Smoothie, but before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest recipes. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this Green Goddess Detox Smoothie. 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cucumber, peeled and sliced, 1/2 green apple, cored, 1/2 lemon juiced, 1 cup water or coconut water. Ice cubes, optional. Now, let's go ahead and prepare this refreshing smoothie. First, add 1 cup of fresh spinach to your blender. Spinach is not only rich in nutrients, but also a fantastic way to sneak in those greens. Next, add half a peeled and sliced cucumber. Cucumbers add a nice freshness to the smoothie and contribute to hydration. Now, half of a green apple, cored for a touch of sweetness without the added sugar. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon for a zesty kick. Lemons are not just flavorful, they also aid in digestion and provide a boost of vitamin C. Now pour in 1 cup of water or coconut water for the liquid base. Feel free to add ice cubes if you prefer a colder and more refreshing smoothie. And there you have it, our Green Goddess Detox Smoothie. Look at that vibrant color. This smoothie is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and it's a great way to kickstart your day or enjoy as a snack. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let us know in the comments if you'd like more healthy recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and stay subscribed. Cheers!